Back to basics, back to basics, back to basics, back to basics. Today we're going to talk about writing equations of a line when I give you that line. Now the directions here say write each equation in slope-intercept form. Okay, well, what's slope-intercept form? Let me see if I can remember. Slope-intercept form is y equals mx plus b. Y is always y. M is slope. And b is the y-intercept. So it seems to me that what I have to do is I have to find out my slope, find out my y-intercept, and just kind of throw it in that red equation there, and then I'm done, right? Right. So let's find out my slope first. My slope requires me taking 2 points on the graph and figuring out the rise over run. I had 2 points, so that makes life easy. And it's positive. And the way I get from one point to the next point is I go up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I rise 6 and I run 1, 2, 3. So my slope is rise 6, run 3. Now the thing with slope is if you can simplify it, but if you can't simplify it enough, keep it improper. 6 over 3 simplifies to 2. So my slope is 2. My y-intercept is the point where my line crosses the y-axis. Here's my y-axis. My green line crosses right there at 0, 4, or just 4. So my y-intercept is 4. So y equals mx plus b. I just found out that m is 2, so y equals 2x, and b is 4, so positive plus 4, that's my equation. Let's do another one. Write an equation in slope-intercept form. Okay, so I'll do it again. Y equals mx plus b. M is the slope. So let's find out what the slope is. Let's pick 2 dots. Here's a dot. These are weird looking graphs, but it's still the same thing. It just says 6.0 instead of 6. I don't know why. Maybe they think they're computers. I go up 1, 2, 3, 4. I can go left 1, 2. So my slope is negative 4 over 2. Negative 4 divided by 2. Can I simplify that? Yep, simplifies to negative 2. My y-intercept is the point where my line crosses the y-axis. So let me see. My red line crosses the y-axis right there. Where is that? In between 4 and 6, so it's going to be 5. So my y-intercept is 5. So putting it all together, y equals m is negative 2, x plus b, and b is positive 5, so plus 5. Y equals negative 2x plus 5. Where are my dots now? Where are my dots now? Well, let's pick a couple of them. I could put a dot here, and then I could put a dot here. Y equals mx plus b. M is my slope. So my slope is negative. I go up 1, 2, 3 over 1, 2, 3, 4. So my slope is negative up 3 over 4. Can I simplify that? No. My b is the y-intercept. Where does my line cross the y-axis? Right there at 4. So b is 4. When I put it all together, I write out the red. Y equals m? No. M is negative 3 over 4 now. M equals negative 3 over 4x plus b, which means plus positive 4, so plus 4. Another weird graph. Okay, I can do it. I believe myself. Y equals mx plus b. M is my slope, so here's 2 dots. Every big chunk is 1. So if I go up 1, 2, every big chunk is 1. So it's up 2 over 1, 2, 3. So my slope is positive up 2, right 3. Positive 2/3. My y-intercept is going to be that 4 right there. So when I put it all together, I could say y equals 2/3 x plus b, which is 4. Seem to be getting faster at these as I do more of them. I'm getting better, I guess. I don't know. Which equation, write each equation in slope-intercept form. All right, I can do this. Y equals mx plus b. M is my slope. So let's pick 2 dots. There's 2 dots there. I go up, none, and I go over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So my rise is 0 and my run is 9. Weird. What's 0 divided by 9? Oh, 0. That's right, I forgot horizontal lines have slopes of 0. Okay, so my slope is 0. Easy. Where does my line cross the x-axis? Y-axis, right there at 5. So my y-intercept is 5. So putting this all together into that green or that blue equation over there, I have y equals 0x plus 5. Well, I can simplify that a little bit further. 0x just disappears. So I'm left with y equals 5. And that makes sense because no matter what on this line right here, y is always going to be 5. Y is always 5. Y is 5. Why? Because I said so. Bye.